Namaste, dear children. Welcome to today's session. Today, we are going to learn some interesting set of words. In our day to day lives, we see so many beautiful things, right? We see so many good things and we want to appreciate so many things, right? We see some beautiful painting or we eat some good food. So, there's so many things that we want to appreciate. Even when someone helps us or, your teacher says you did excellent, when you're giving your exams and so many other things. So, Nidhi, why don't you give us some example for something that you find beautiful?
I find flowers to be very beautiful. Trees are also very beautiful. Yeah.
Very nice. And something that you think is excellent.
Mm, Something I would rather say that people around me are excellent in so many works. Like my mom cooks excellent food. You know.
Wow, very nice. And something that you think is good and something that you think is wonderful.
Rainbows. They are good as well as they are wonderful. After the rain.
Very nice. Even I like the rainbows. So let us see how to tell these words in Sanskrit. Okay, are we ready?
Yes.
Good. So the first word, to say something is, excellent or something is really good, then we say uttamam. We can say uttamam. Okay. Let's break down uttamam.
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 Together, uttamam.
Uttamam.
Let's repeat again. Uttamam.
Uttamam.
One more time. Uttamam.
Uttamam.
So, Nidhi, when you have to say excellent to your brother or to someone, what will you say?
Uttamam.
Very good. Now, if we have to express that something is proper, something is good, then we say samyak. We say samyak. Okay? Let's break and repeat. Samyak.
Sam. Yak.
Samyak.
Samyak.
One more time. Samyak.
Samyak.
One more time. Samyak.
Samyak.
Very good. Now, if we want to say that something is really pretty or something is really beautiful, we say shobhanam. We say shobhanam. Okay, let's repeat. Shobhanam.
Sho. Bhanam.
Shobhanam.
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 Let's repeat one more time. Shobhanam.
Shobhanam.
Very good. Now, one more word. So, if something is really wonderful, something makes you, wonder, something that makes you feel like, oh my God, how did you do this? Or how is this so good? Then you say adbhutam. You can say adbhutam. Okay? Let's break down and repeat. Adbhutam.
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 One more time. Adbhutam.
Adbhutam.
Okay. Now let us see the four words that we learned today. They are uttamam to say something is excellent. Then samyak to say something is good or proper. So if someone asks you how you're doing today, you can say samyak. I'm doing good. Then shobhanam, something that's beautiful. And then adbhutam, something that is wonderful. Okay, so these are the four words that we saw today, and we should keep appreciating the good things that we see around us, right? So let us try to use these words as much as possible. See you in the next session. Dhanyawadaha.